So we're going to Giethoorn. There's a little 2-day trip. We're gonna go with the train to Giethoorn. We rented a really nice boat there to stay with Henry and Sandra, and we're gonna cycle around a little bit, boat around a little bit. So come and join us. So now we just passed Hasselt, 10 kilometers. It's beautiful around here. It's really quiet. We're cycling on sort of a dike where the water just kind of keeps it from going one place to another. Let's go have a look inside. Yeah. Okay, that's not too shabby. Here's the kitchen. And this is look, you can make it. The sappy baby boys.